We're here in Collegetown Center on the second floor. We're about halfway down the hall. We're going to take a look at Collegetown Center 204. This is a south-facing rectangle style studio. A rectangle is our standard model. Let's take a look. As you can see, we're entering in the kitchen, and you can see the refrigerator. There's the sink and dishwasher, the microwave, the stove and oven, and we have some assorted cabinets above and below, and a couple drawers, and your counter space, stove and oven. As we go into the apartment, I like this space over here on the right side of the kitchen. This is great for a narrow table or a small shelf or your shoe rack here in the entrance to the kitchen of your apartment. Let's go on in. Over on our left, here's the closet. We'll take a look in there so you can see your hanging space. So you have your closet hanging space and some floor space in the closet for your storage needs. The apartment is furnished. You have your desk and chair, a dresser, a bookshelf, a dining table and chair, and your full-size bed. Let's take a look at the bathroom. That's over here on our right. The bathrooms will have a tub shower with a sliding door. You can see the large mirror. There's a vanity. That cabinet underneath opens for additional storage. There's the toilet, and we have a towel bars and a small cabinet on the shelf for some other small storage items. As we go into the apartment, we'll take a look out the window. You can see the heater on the right. This is what we mean when we say don't block your heater. It should not have furniture or a bed in front of it, so your heat can circulate freely in the winter months. Here's the air conditioner that is underneath the window that runs separately from the heating unit. And the window faces to the south. So you see we've got trees out here. This is the south side of the building, so that does mean that it is the brighter side. We are away from Dryden Road. You can see towards College Ave to our left. To our right, we've got some nice valley views that is looking to the southwest. Collegetown Center is located at 151 Dryden Road. We're right here in central Collegetown at the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And from the corner, we're located just one block to campus here at Collegetown Center.